Imagine winning the lottery twice in the same day.
The same day?
Or literally being in the center of a tornado and surviving. These are the luckiest people to ever live. Motorbike crash recovery. Oh, we've all seen this.
Whoa!
Just slides and then just walks.
Hey, he's like, I can't believe I'm still alive.
Still going.
That's crazy. Those suits got to be made out of like Kevlar. I don't know if that's real. I just like saying Kevlar.
Oh, his foot got stuck on his parachute?
You know, they were freaking out.
Yo, I could not literally think of anything more terrifying.
The whole time they're like, gonna die, gonna die, gonna die, gonna die. Okay, I'm good. Oh, it's pretty. Yo, the rush they probably got from that was insane, I bet.
Oh, I saw this. Apparently an armor truck just dropped a ton of money.
That's wild.
Oh my gosh.
So is it illegal to pick up that money? It's not like they robbed the armor truck.
The only thing that's illegal is something you get caught doing. But I probably wouldn't have filmed myself and made a TikTok. I would have instantly just stuffed my truck full of it.
This guy's crossing a road.
Oh!
Oh, snap.
That looked like that meme where the cars slam into each other, the CGI thing. They'll play it. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Winning the lotto not once, but twice in just a matter of minutes.
That's right. This guy literally won the lottery 2 times in the same day.
What?
Then somebody came in and bought 3, and the third one, that was the 10 million.
Imagine winning $1,000 on a scratch-off ticket, and then you use that money to buy another one and you win 10 million. And if you thought that person got lucky, keep watching. Wait, what is this?
It's a bomb-proof suit. Oh, it is bomb-proof. Okay, they're good.
Is that a robot?
No, that's a person.
Why?
If you got a suit that's supposed to withhold against explosions, you gotta, put it to the test.
Are you kidding?
Put your money where your mouth is.
How much is that person getting paid?
At
The
least.
answer is not enough. Okay, so this is a UPS driver.
Oh, it's slippery.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, honestly, he didn't have to do that. He's like, that one.
Oh, look, butt scoots down. Nice. Oh, I've done this before. All right, they got orange drink. So they're going to get water to hit orange drink to hit Pepsi. Good job.
Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
You honestly couldn't write a better movie script.
Oh, look at those reeds. I want to go scuba diving.
Go with Scuba Jake.
Yeah, hey, Scuba Jake, hit me up. I want to go scuba. Look at that.
Wait, his friend dropped his phone?
Holy crap.
And it was still getting text messages. That's crazy.
All right, a convenient ambulance.
Oh! He's like, no, he was just laying there going, oh. Oh! Yo, he said, hey, y'all want a good shot? How about this?
What happens if he was going to land on the boat?
Boats right here,
Yeah.
whales right here.
Yep. Oh, shoot. Me scared. Wait, are they battling each other?
I think it's a freestyle event. Oh! That is not safe. There's no reason that should ever get that close. You know, somebody's little kid just actually pooped their pants.
A little kid, I would poop my pants. Jenga master it.
Jenga.
Jenga these nuts. Oh, is he about to karate chop it?
He's just giving it a test bump.
Oh, this guy's nice with it.
Oh! Hey, he's a dad. That's a first-class dad. Hey, we all want to be a dad like that one day.
Pole vaulter?
82nd time of asking.
Gotta get rid of the pole. Gotta get rid of the pole. What are you doing?
Oh.
Doesn't even complete it. Can't get rid of the pole. Skewers his pants and his shirt. Lucky he had his underwear still.
He gets hit by a tornado, apparently. Let's see this.
Hit by a tornado. Does he just not see it coming? Oh my God.
Oh.
It like spawns on top of him.
Snap.
There was a car there. Now there's a woman there.
Wait, where did she come from?
Where'd the car go?
What happened?
This looks like a different, it looks like that Skyrim transition to like a completely different place.
All right, so tree branch.
I really have actually had something like this happen to me, and it's terrifying because it feels like you're about to die. Look how close that came to just taking their leg off.
Oh my gosh.
They got so lucky. You know it's gonna be good if it's security cam footage. She's fine. It pushed the chair, and then she like glided out of the chair.
It's like you walk in there, all the seats are taken, you go get in your car, you just ram it, and they're like, all right, thanks for the chair.
I'm sitting here.
Oh!
He narrowly escaped. That guy is lucky. That went from just a cool, it could have been, that went from being, that could have gone from being, I'm just gonna give up.
Okay. Lucky Jeep recovery.
I'll be the judge of that. Oh,
No.
it's gone.
Oh,
that would be so expensive.
no.
It was on one tire for 1 second. That's wild. Hey, you gotta have finesse. That bear's like, oh, this is my good fishing spot.
I've seen this before, and I don't know if it's a real bear or not.
It's like the bear almost didn't see he was there until this moment right here, and then he was like, oh crap, my bad.
Is this actually real?
Yeah, it's real. That's what happens when you go out in nature. Bears can just be joining the server.
Fail not fail?
Oh! I would be sad. I would cry.
It's on fire on my chair.
They're like, it's fine. It's got a giant dent in the side of it. It's fine.
Lucky box.
All right, let's see how lucky this box is. Oh!
Oh! Oh! I feel like that's not how inertia works.
Who cares about inertia? That's magic, bro.
Yo, someone tell Isaac Newton he needs to research this.
Lucky base jumper?
Oh, I think I've seen this on TikTok. Yeah, it gets like tangled, he hits the thing. Yeah. And then,
Oh! And then he lands on somebody's porch.
yeah. He's like, hey.
How does the person, this lady's like, you need a chair?
This has to be epic.
I think the lucky thing is something interesting happening in golf.
Wait.
What?
Oh!
That ball just wanted to stay in no matter what.
That was cool. Wait, so what's this?
Is that a car? What? There's just a car stuck under. There's no chance the truck doesn't see it. How does the truck
What?
not see that?
That truck driver should just not. All right, who cares? New clip. All right, this building is being demolished. Oh
Yo,
my gosh.
leave a comment if that got you too.
That would hurt. Saving a drone from water?
Oh, look how dirty that water
Oh,
is.
so the drone died. And so it's slowly, this is what happens when a drone dies. They slowly descend. Yeah, look at that.
There's a dead fish.
And so now he has to go catch it before it touches the water.
He's swimming in that gross water.
Yo, that is perfect timing. Flawless recovery.
That was beautiful form.
Did it actually work?
All right, let's see if it worked. Form was beautiful. Did it work?
Oh,
Hey!
oh, he got two!
Double the fishes.
I can't believe that worked. All right, let's see this. What is this?
Is that?
Is that a snake?
Oh my God.
Wait, what?
How is that just in their house?
Yo,
This has to be staged. There's just no way.
how is this guy just grabbing it?
How is no one screaming for the, I would die. I would be screaming the fact that that was in my house. I burned my house down. I don't have a house anymore.
I love how she just is like, you know what? If I don't look at it, it didn't happen.
Yeah, she like instantly walks away from it. Hey, how did that work?
Don't question it. Science. Oh, snap.
Oh, the old behind the back, throw it in.
Wait, did he make it?
Swish.
Dang.
That almost makes basketball exciting.
I will not stand for this basketball slander.
Sit down. You said you won't stand for it.
He got me.
Oh, nice throw, you dingwad.
Was that simulated?
I don't think so, because look.
Yeah, there's no way that's simulated.
If he hits his head, look, he smacks his head into that. No way he would have committed that hard.
No, that wasn't simulated.
The awkward.
We didn't die, we didn't die. Bird versus F1.
Yo, this bird don't care. Oh, and it did a flip.
Wow. Do drivers have that much precision?
I think it was more the bird having that much precision.
I think this is floating ice and I don't care.
Oh,
Ruh-roh.
oh look, video game ice physics were right.
Oh my gosh. That is actually really cool.
He had to like full on sprint just to stay in place.
I kind of want to do that. That looks fun.
You should go do it.
Real quick, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be picking a random subscriber that subs in the next 7 days and giving them $1,000 in cash. There's never been a better time to subscribe. Hit the button.
Do it.